Yeah, good evening, guys. Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining the meet today. Today, Vlad has announced for advanced SMM campaign for CNT Minerals last time, isn't? Today, I have prepared some small strategy and how we will be working together for his campaign. I'll be discussing about those details today. What will we do for the advanced SMM? LinkedIn is the main focus, which we are planning, and Instagram and Facebook marketing as usual. In LinkedIn, we have to share some very good articles in all the profiles which Geomonks own. And the link, Instagram and Facebook posts will be just like the last time you read research papers, isn't? And created some different types of posts based on the LinkedIn articles which you create. On that, you will be creating the Instagram and Facebook posts this time. That is the plan we have in advanced SMM. And mostly the thing should be this time engagement with the leads, the clients, or whoever the person interacts with your post in LinkedIn or Instagram or Facebook. You need to engage with them, understand their requirement, and make them go and visit Vlad's website, the CNT's website. That is the target this time. The team structure, like earlier, as I told, we will be working in three L1, L2, L3 people. And I didn't try to differentiate L1, L2, L3 based on skills, but based on the number of followers. And L3 is just a team leader, as we told. He will be mostly responsible and he will be directly in contact with me or Vlad and managing the team, total Geomox, whoever is working for the campaign. You can consider this as a campaign or a tournament, whatever you say, because tournament thing is just like the last time we worked, isn't based on the teams. But this time, depending on the number of people who are going to take part in this campaign, we will see we can divide into teams or we can consider all of the people individually. Okay, but I prefer it will be better each of you works individually this time and report to L3 Geomon. And L1 and L2 I divided mostly based on the number of followers only, nothing more than that. Okay. Team structure for tournament procedure for approval of posts. All the posts created by Geomonks participating in tournament should be shared with L3 Geomonk. Only then the posts are considered for approval. Yeah, guys. Just like same time last time, you will be creating the post and you are sharing in the Telegram group, and then the post got approved, is it? This time also the same thing. The post will be shared with one person, and he will be sending it to the client who is Vlad in this case for approval. Payment will be given only for the post approved by the client. The L3 Geomock will schedule the approved post in Publer. The thing is, earlier every post, the tournament, isn't it? Was so every post we used to make some changes and ask you people to submit it on your page, post it on your page. But this time, only very good high quality posts which are approved by the client. Individually, you will be getting paid for every individual post that is approved by the client. Okay, this is the thing I am planning this time. And L3 Geomock will schedule the approved posts in Publer. Your pages will be the five L2 Geomonks will be having pages with more than 5,000 followers, isn't? These pages will be connected to the Publer, and all the posts which are approved by our client will be scheduled into these pages through Publer. This is the plan. How you will be paid? Payment for the tournament, price for creating approved posts. Actually, from now onwards, we are thinking of creating some kind of gems kind of system. You will be having some virtual currency kind of thing, and we will keep on adding the gems or any bonuses, whichever we give, will be measuring in gems. One gem means 1 rupee, you can think, guys. It will be more easier for you. For every approved post, the Geomonk who created it will receive 70 gems, roughly $1. The client will decide which approved post should be published on which page of L2 Geomon. See, now every page which is connected to Publer will be more than 5,000 followers, isn't? So if it is based on the quality of the post or whatever, the client himself will be deciding which post will go into whose page. That is the plan. Payment for tournament, price for posting and reporting. Now the thing is, how will the L2 geomonks earn? Suppose some people may not be good in just content creation, isn't? Only the person who created the post is getting paid that $1. But if a L2 geomonk is there who is having more than 5,000 followers, but his post is not getting approved, or he is not able to create higher quality posts compared to other people. So mainly the L2 geomonks, whoever is there, just for being a part of the Geomonks campaign in this case, will be getting 1 rupee for every 100 impressions they generate through the posts published on their page. The client is selecting the posts, isn't, from the people. And for posting on your page, you will be getting impressions. Impressions is the ultimate factor, guys. Last time also we used so many factors based on the like, shares, but Instagram algorithm, it itself takes off based on the likes, engagement. The impressions keeps on increasing. So this time we felt that measuring with impressions is the best thing. For every 100 impressions that post generate on the L2 Geomonks page, the L2 Geomonk will be paid 1 gem. That means 1 rupee, you can see. Okay. And L3 Geomonks will be paid 100 gems every day for managing and reporting the work of all Geomonks in their team. See, the L3 Geomonk, whoever is there, one person will be there for the entire campaign. He will be collecting all the posts, he will be scheduling them in the Publer, and he will be sharing the analytics and all these things to the client. So we kept a target of 10 posts for every day to the L3 Geomonk. And for managing these 10 posts, he'll be getting 100 gems. That means roughly 10 rupees per post for managing each. And the total budget is coming around 1800 rupees. That is roughly around $25 for all the 10 posts. If this work will be, we are expecting for 1 day 10 posts will be approved. Okay, guys. Let us see how many people will be taking part in this campaign. But the budget will be roughly this only. If in a day we are able to generate only 5 posts, then you will be paid half of the amount. That will be the cost I estimated. And awards for Geomonks.
Can I say something here? Can I say something here?
Yeah, yeah.
Getting back to the previous slide, if possible.
Yeah.
Okay, look, Teja said about 10 posts, 8,000 gems. I think that it's very good price for that amount of posts, but I also want this to be a deadline. I don't want to be paying for 5 posts. I want 10 posts to be generated and approved, if that's possible.
Yeah, definitely. If 10 posts
I don't want to consider less than 10 posts, because that relates to efficiency of each L2. If L2 cannot generate 10 posts, it is not L2. Or he can take money for other activities, but not for posts. So that it will.
And the thing is, in the budget mainly I considered 100 gems. That means impressions I considered more. For every 100 impressions on page greater than 5,000 is 1 gem, isn't? So 100 gems. That means 1 lakh impression, 10,000 impressions I considered for every post on the bigger pages, roughly. So that is the reason the budget is going high a bit.
Because you see, I just want to say that these things have to be thought through by guys very well, and that is why you managed to make all this structure. It can be that we just have several KPIs here. Efficient things. First thing, I think 10 posts is critical deadline from which we start paying. Okay. So not less than 10 posts. Okay. Then also another, I would say, KPI, it's content creation. If you make a certain number of posts, we pay just for posts. But if you also make impressions, that adds to that amount of 700 gems, many more gems, because that exact post will generate much more impressions than any other. You see what I mean? So it's really to do with approval posting, analyzing, because we need impressions, right? And then paying later. So it will be kind of a story within a limited amount of time, say 1 month, right? Because just 2 weeks after, we will know the impression factors for each post, right? So that's exactly the case that I wanted to explain, that this structure of benefits, of payment, of everything is kind of stepwise. First, you generate posts, then you do generation of posts, then you post them on a bigger page. Then if you L1, if you L2, you post on your own page, right? So that's definitely, double work for L2 than for L1. So that should be also somehow.
Only L2 will be earning for impressions they generate. L1 will only earn through the content creation thing.
Okay, then now I understand. But anyway, I just wanted to make sure that I understand. And if people will have other questions, like I have questions, right? Because what I did, I asked Teja the requirements that I have for the campaign. And most important part of this campaign, it's not post creation, it's impression factor of the posts, but more than that, it's link between LinkedIn and Instagram, and how do they interact. Plus, we want you guys to use your ability, your skills after the CNT internships, and that is what Teja will continue about. Thank you, Teja. Sorry for interruption.
Sure.
Go on, please.
Yeah, like earlier, we will be having at the end of the campaign, all these categories will be there, guys. And CNT client, whoever is there, Vlad will be choosing the best post based on these categories. For a best lead magnet for one GeoMonk, best of the best, just like last time, who is good in more than one or two categories, he will be definitely be chosen. And the Brainiac thing, who comes up with the most creative and resourceful ideas for engagement champ, who got the most engagement for his or her post. Curious creator, who creates best series of posts with good storytelling, just like Shalini created last time. The researcher, GeoMonk, who shared most well-researched and technical posts. The entrepreneur, the best post which attracts the attention of prospective clients, the lead generation, we can say. Meme master, memes were, you easily know what are the memes, isn't it? You all people know. Printing press, who created most number of approved posts. These are the categories which we thought last time, and the same things we are going to continue this time also. Eligibility for tournament. These things are very important this time, which Vlad was saying. I'll explain each point. Each GM means GeoMonk, guys. Okay. Publishes the message about his or her internship on LinkedIn page in professional experience section with indication to CNT internship. I saw Gajanan's page today, LinkedIn page. He updated his internship with 3D Mineral Laboratory. Like that, each of the GeoMonk who is going to take part in this tournament has to update their bio in LinkedIn. Okay. They should indicate that they are doing an internship with CNT, because this project, or earlier also you might have done some internship, isn't that is your as of now present status. You're working for CNT company. The second thing, each GeoMonk publishes one essay, their own or reference provided by CNT Instruments on their own behalf at his or her LinkedIn page as a post. You might know LinkedIn post, isn't LinkedIn article. So you need to publish at least 1,000 words, one big essay, and on the LinkedIn profile of the GeoMonk, whoever is participating. If you want to participate on your profile, it should be there. That one, some people who completed the internship, they may provide you the essay, or you may do it on your own. Okay, that is the second requirement. Each GeoMonk should find every day at least 5 contacts that use the same hashtag given by CNT and like, comment, and share the content of the contact in LinkedIn and Instagram. This is one more important thing. Every day, the hashtags will definitely be given for you while making the post also, publishing the post also, those hashtags should be used. And with the same hashtag, you need to search for people in LinkedIn, guys, or Instagram and Facebook also. At least 5 people. What will happen is you will be interacting with their post, you will be commenting on their post, means they will get interested in the content which you are producing. Share the article which you created and share it with them. Tell them that this company is creating these products and you may go and sign up on their website for lead generation, like that. This is the case. And L3 GeoMonk will be checking your activity. In LinkedIn also, we can see the activity of all the people. So this is the main interaction on LinkedIn, guys, this campaign purpose. These 3 are the eligibility for the tournament. This is one-time task. You need to put it in a bio. This is also a one-time task. And every day the whole campaign runs, you need to keep doing this task. At least 5 contacts you need to pick up and comment and reply to them. After your eligibility conditions are met, you will be creating the post and publishing on the page. This is a common thing. So now how the payment will be made. These are the criteria the client has put for making the payment. Each GeoMonk designs at least 10 posts for each essay in the Instagram that describes the company and the product or essay results during the tournament. Nothing, guys. Only, as Vlad was saying, at least 10 posts should be created from every GeoMonk. Some people are there. Last time also we have seen only 2 or 3 posts they have created for the entire campaign and tournament. So those people will be discarded. And it should not be like you created some different color variations or small basic variations for a small thing and you made it as 10 posts. You should create at least 10 different types of posts. Only then for whatever approved posts you create, for that you will be receiving the payment. I think it is clear for you. Because the client will be approving them finally, isn't? Within these 10 posts, he may approve only 6 posts or 5 posts, whatever. Only for that you will be getting the payment. But at least 10 posts you should create during this entire campaign time. If you create more and your more number of posts are approved, then it is more benefit for you only. You will be considered for award and these things also, isn't? Each GMonk uses the hashtags provided by CNT under every post, all automated under Publer as obligatory, plus his own hashtags that should result in biggest engagement. Okay, the client will be giving us some hashtags. We can use 30 hashtags, isn't, in Instagram. So out of 30, the client may give 10 or 15 hashtags, and other 10 or 15 hashtags you should find out so that you will be getting the best performing for your post. This is the thing the client is putting a condition. And these 10 posts which you create, guys, for L1 GeoMonks, you need to publish on your own Instagram page. Okay. Only then we will be considering. And the approved post will be getting paid and they will be posted on L2 pages.
So can I say one thing?
Yeah.
Sir, actually, the one who is participating for the first time, he wanted to do some research regarding the CNT. Then only he can post.
Yeah, we will be
or
giving
create
you
the
time.
content.
Yes. Yeah.
So from where we'll be getting the content?
The client will be giving you all the research materials, photos, videos, and everything to create the content.
Sorry, I have to intrude here.
Yeah.
Thank you for this question, first of all. This is very sensible question. It means that guys listen to us very carefully, and it's very pleasant. So as far as I understand, there are issues that we have to, again, repeat to those who have just stepped in for the campaign, those L1s that don't know a thing about CNT. For those who will be making special webinar, and I will produce this webinar specifically for people who have never heard about CNT and its equipment, because what we publicizing here, as I've already told you last time, it's either company or its products, right? There is nothing else that you're doing. You are publicizing either the company as a brand or its products. This is for every SMM campaign that they'll be doing. It's either a company or products. So this time we are doing it double fold. We're doing it once in Instagram, and we're doing it the same way in LinkedIn. And LinkedIn articles should be dedicated to some certain internships that we've had or essays that we've presented, those guys who were at the CNT campaigns, at the CNT internships. And at the same time, the same posts should be dedicated to these essays. So what we do, we take people from LinkedIn and try and move them to other social media resources like Instagram this time, okay? The same we do for people from Instagram. We bring them over from Instagram to our LinkedIn sources. So this is exactly what we want you guys to do. We want you to, first of all, forget about the lack of information. The information will be all provided either in a way that you can watch all our internships online. Those L1s who want to know about our equipment, they can easily go online on YouTube and by the link provided, be able to see all the CNT internships throughout these all numbers like stage 1, stage 2, stage 5, and so on. So they will be knowing about CNT as a company and CNT as a product producer. But also, you guys who are L2, and this presentation is mostly dedicated to you and L3, though we just have one L3 so far, but maybe soon we will select other 2 L3s from the rest. It depends on the number of L2s that will be participating. So I just want to tell you that this presentation is specifically for L2 and L3, who have to understand that now we have all the database of over 300 posts being generated during the last tournament campaign that I've told you last time. We already have over 25 different essays that have been collected after CNT internships. They are dedicated to either products or the company itself. So they describe in a very detail some parts of the application of CNT products. So now we just need to marry, to basically to merge these two campaigns. The first one that we've had, the tournament campaign, those posts that we've generated, plus new posts on the essays that you will be publishing on your LinkedIn accounts. And what's good about it is that those L2s that will be participating, I suspect, since they were through the CNT internships, they would want to be selected as professionals, as experts in the field. And this is what we try and achieve. We want you guys to get a job for your own ability to explain what you actually know about the technology and the company. And you are now sharing your experience in your personal pages. You'll start developing your own pages and LinkedIn. You become visible to professionals in the field. And sometimes you become also experts because you will be discussing those issues directly with potential clients or just those who are interested. Because there are 3 types of different products, as I told you last time, remember? The first product we will advertise and publicize in LinkedIn and Instagram for this, 10 posts or whatsoever, how many of them, it doesn't matter. It's the CNT internship. So you will always be able to talk to similar students and other guys who have never heard about the technology and the product. For us, these are new users. Like we continue teaching different other additional students who then become professionals, and they will be buying our products, you see, and they will know about our company. That's what we publicize. So they will be going through the same CNT internships. They will become more legitimate for us as professionals, and we also maybe one day be able to dedicate some project to them. So we are enlarging the amount of people who know about the products and the company that way. The second thing that we sell, as you remember, it's our equipment. And that's what we also, target when publishing the essays on the LinkedIn pages, because those who will read your essay and will find it interesting, they will refer to you because you are publicizing it on your own pages. And then you have to talk to people. And then you have to explain them what does it do, that equipment. And that is, again, for us, leading the people to our website where we sell our equipment. And the last thing we sell is we sell 3D technology. And that is related to our services. As you remember, we have a very specific way of business development, which is called franchising. So we are planning to sell franchising services, which is selling equipment as 3D laboratory altogether with all the different types of equipment that resolving any consulting project that can do any work for any company. And that's exactly what we aim for. We want to build up the infrastructure with many laboratories around the world using our equipment. And the same people, whoever is working now for us, will be the employees of these laboratories, or maybe even general managers. That's what I'm aiming for. I want these L2 become our general managers for the laboratory. Some of you were asking me about the job. What is the job, opportunity we have if we work with CNT? That's what I'm trying to explain. Whenever we have many 3D laboratories around the world, you guys be the one who know more than anyone else about the 3D laboratory, and you will definitely be trained. You will become either the users, because, even now I'm selecting few geomonks now, talking to other companies. They are going to be masters soon. So I want them to work for these companies, and I put them through to these companies even now. Right now, I'm working with Urja. You have heard her report last time. I'm working with Valen, who wants to work in Canada. I'm trying to find him a good place. So it's all to do with your future. So we want you guys to work on this campaign, thinking about the future, these L2s, okay? And help L1s to become L2s as well. So I hope I've done my bit. So Teja can continue, but more important is communication. you will have to communicate on LinkedIn with those who will be interested in understanding your essay. That might be students and that might be geoscientist professionals who would want to understand about the equipment. And you will have to achieve another factor, another, I would say, feedback. Another result is feedback from your comments that will also be accounting. So Tej can continue. Thank you.
Yeah, as Vlad is telling, each feedback on the page of GeoMonk in LinkedIn and Instagram should be recorded and reported to L3. Feedback means whatever the comments you are getting on the post in LinkedIn and the Instagram pages which we post, that thing should be recorded, guys, so that we will understand who is working more for getting these kind of comments on your post. Because without talking to the people who is interacting with your post, they will not comment on your page, isn't it? So these things should be recorded and shared with the L3 GeoMonk. Bonus payment for lead generation. So what is the ultimate thing is for this campaign, you need to create leads for CNT mineral processing. And how Vlad will be knowing is they will, on their website, if you go and check on cntmp.com, you will be able to see the field for submission of the contact details. You need to provoke the people to go to visit that website and ask them to submit their details, and also explain them about the 3 different products, as Vlad told, the internships, their franchise opportunities, and equipment and services which they provide, about these things, and tell them to submit the contact details of the respective companies. And each registered visitor that leaves his details on the CNT website will be recorded, and his or her details will be sent to L3 GeoMonk. What happens is, when you ask someone to share their details on CNT website, and you will also create your own list, whoever you tell them to submit details, and you will be sharing your list to L3 GeoMonk, and Vlad will also share his website visitors list to L3 GeoMonk. We will be matching the list, and for every lead you generate, we will be paying around 10 gems, roughly 10 rupees, I can say. That is the plan. And this thing will be decided by Vlad. He can increase it or decrease it based on the quality of leads which you are generating. You should not spam it, guys. You should not send some useless contacts and submit the leads on CNT website. He will be checking the quality of the leads. He'll be contacting them, and he will ask them who interacted with them, and only then he'll be making the payment for these leads. Okay. If any doubt is there, or if any language problem is there, you are not able to understand, I think it will be better we can come do one more meet in, so that I'll talk in Hindi with you. You can easily understand the things in Hindi or more easier language. Okay, now the meet time is also over. We have 4 more minutes left, and these are the main conditions the client has put on us this time. These 3 things. I'll be sharing this presentation with you people in the group, and also the recording of the video, so that if you have any doubts, you can listen again, and what is the objective of the client this time, you can understand. Okay, in simple language, I will definitely try to take one more meet and explain the things, guys. Just turn on the mic and tell me any doubts are there, on anything I can explain to you. Please tell me. My part is done, I think. What all the things we decided this time? It is a bit
No,
complex.
everything is okay, but
Sir, actually, I haven't.
Yeah.
Go on, guys.
Actually, I have not got the profile in LinkedIn, so I will be creating for the first time. So some
Yeah, no issues.
how it
Everybody is
will
going to
I
create
don't know about the
nearly
LinkedIn.
this time only. Don't worry about that thing. I will also take one
Okay,
webinar
okay.
on LinkedIn thing also, how we can easily get more leads and
Okay,
all
sir.
those things. Yeah, that one I will take up.
Thank you
See,
for the
Rio-
question. Thank you for the
Okay.
question, guys. Yes, you will be serviced. That is our community issue. We will service our friends GeoMonks in terms of knowledge, and
Yeah.
we pay them for this knowledge. That is our main agenda. So you guys be trained and paid for it. This is very important and principal thing. Whoever is lazy doesn't want to be paid for getting knowledge. I don't know such people, you know.
True.
So if you guys want to be paid and get the knowledge, come over and get more guys that will be interested, you know, in the
Yeah.
same thing.
Very
So
good.
we've paid for the first time. Remember, you've done very well. We've paid the prizes. We've paid the salaries. We were very lucky to get just 3 people off the you know, of the 25 or some other number that didn't deliver on time. And so that was very successful. And I think that this time it will be even more successful. And I just told to Teja that it's no problem that we have just 10 people, but these guys are most dedicated. This will be our staff, you know. We want these guys to work for us. The more they study, the more valuable they are for us. And for other things that we do is our CCPM platform. This case will be the one of a kind, this perfect case CNT that we can show to everybody and show the success of this case. Now, when I'm showing the success on Instagram, they say that's unbelievable. That can't be true, but that was the truth, you know. And I couldn't avoid trying to develop this, environment, the same Geomonks community, to reach other, targets such as LinkedIn campaign. And we've planned it in the first place to get you guys very good infrastructure like CCPM. It's where you will be just posting and getting gems, the money back immediately. You know, you will be having that job all the time. Whoever be registered for the campaign using CCPM, they will be just posting and getting money on their account. That is what we aim for, you see. So right now we are not having this CRM, this possibility, but soon with your help, having that LinkedIn experience will definitely have that opportunity. Thank you.
Okay, the time is up, guys. Thank you very much for connecting today. And we will do one more meet if you have any doubts. Okay, please message me in the WhatsApp group. Thank you very much, Vlad, taking your time, and thank you everyone.